Good afternoon, Georgians. Now, welcome to online class, fifth lesson, exploring MS Window, part 2. Now, last time we have studied about how to delete a file or a folder, right? So now we have completed last time up to page number 58. Today we will start with page number 59 of your textbook, that is restoring a file or a folder, right? So these all things we have going to see: deleting a file or a folder, restoring file or a folder, finding a file or a folder, right? So these things we are going to see now. Page number 59, page number 60 and 61, 62, 63. Okay, so we will try to complete how much it is possible, right? Now, first of all, I am going to complete with control panel. Okay, so control panel is on your page number, that is 61, right? So first we'll complete that, then I will come on how to restore, delete, okay, and how to find a folder or a file. So control panel is on page number 61. Okay, control panel in Windows 7 is the place to go when you need to make changes to various settings of your computer system. You can control most Windows commands and features using the various options in the control panel. A control panel consists of a set of, you can say, applets that include adding or removing hardware and software, controlling users' accounts, changing accessibility options, and accessing networking, you can say, settings. Now generally many games you people download, right, from online. Suppose I don't want that game further, right? So what generally we have to do, we have to go in control panel, then add remove program option is there, click on that, and then you can remove that particular game which you have downloaded through online. Okay, one example I'm giving you. Same in the case of mobile phone also, right? From Play Store, you download different apps. When you don't want what you're doing, you just uninstall that particular app, right? Same feature of control panel also. The only difference is that click on start, all program, then go to control panel. In that, add remove program, and then finally you can remove or add whatever program you want. It can be any game, it can be antivirus, it can be a particular software, Corel Draw, Photoshop, any option you can download. So all these features are available in control panel. Same time, if you want to make changes in your settings of keyboard, mouse, speaker, okay, CPU, or any extra special feature you want to give, then you can use control panel, right? So many features are there of control panel. Without control panel you can't make the changes in the hardware and software of any computer. How to start control panel, that we will see. Then screensaver and wallpapers, that we will be seeing. Changing the screensaver, that we are going to see. Changing desktop background wallpaper, generally you all are familiar with that, right? How to do it, right? How to start control panel steps I have told. Click on start, all program, then you can see control panel, right? Screensaver and wallpaper, many of you know how to do it. Just like your mobile phone, how you are setting a backdrop, same way in computer also, right click and then you get the option how to make the screensaver and the wallpaper. Changing screensaver also you are very familiar. Mobile phone and laptop both are having same features. Daily you are changing, hourly you are changing. It depends how you want to change the screensaver. Changing desktop background wallpaper, right? Now on your desktop you must have seen different backdrops are there. Even that you can change. Either you can download from Google and make it. It depends how you want to do it, right? Now I'm going to show you how to delete, restore and find a folder. Okay, control panel I have told you in detail, but not that detail. I will be uploading a video link with this, you can say, explanation. You can go through with that and you can understand it better. Now I'm going to show you how we can, you can say, deleted file to restore. Deleted, we all know how to delete it, right? Last lecture we have done that, right? So now how to restore, I'm going to show you that. Okay, now whatever files we have deleted, that always go in a recycle bin, right? So this is recycle. You can see here, for example, lesson notes, you can say standard fifth. Okay, if I want to restore, what I have to do, just right click. Now can you see different options are there? Restore, cut, delete, property. Once I click on restore, this folder or this ppt notes will restore where at the actual position. Now see, once I click on restore, it has gone, right? Where it has gone? To the actual place where it was, right? So whatever you are deleting is been collected where? In the recycle bin, right? And how to restore? Just right click and select the option called restore. So one example I have shown you how to restore the file, right? Now how to find a file or folder? Now latest, you can say computer and laptop, it's quite easy. To your left hand side corner, there you will find type here to search, right? This option is there. You can easily type which file, which folder you are looking for, and it is quite easy to find out different, you can say, file and folder. So I have completed with my fifth lesson. Very soon I am going to upload the notes. Write it down in your computer textbook. Those who don't have textbook, write it down in your computer notebook or on a piece of paper and keep it safely with you. Okay, stay home, be safe. Bye for the time.